Hey everybody, Friday morning, September 15th. What I've got on the chart here is the ES 30 minute, and I'm looking at the Astro Excel indicator, but I'm only looking at the blue line right now. So what I want to show with this is how the extremes of the blue line, when they're around the plus or minus 10 line or above, how they will cause pivots or be in the neighborhood of pivots. So this one is based on the moon and its relationship to all other planets as it moves through the zodiac. And what we can do with this is identify turning points on the larger frame. So we've got the zero line right here. Let me get to the arrow. So we want to look at the plus 10 and the minus 10, and I only have marked these peaks and valleys in the area of the trading hours that I usually mention in these videos. I'm usually only looking from like 2 to 3 a.m. Eastern time to the close of the session at 4 o'clock on the day session, or 1600 hours. So what we're looking at, I marked out for this week, the current week. You can see we've got a low here, a high here, a minor low here, a low here, a high here at this point, a low here. This one is a low. This one here is kind of a miss. It's around a little volatility spike down just for that half-hour period. And then we've got this low here, and then we're at the area of a low here. So what this is going to do, it's going to identify for you where that change of energy is coming in. You may not get the exact pivot, but you know you're in the neighborhood of a move, and you can dial in for that reversal using the other tools, using the Vedic Rainbow, the pH, the Cosmo, or the other storm tools, the math timers, and also the other fixed cycle stick markers that are described in the storm book.